Borthakur IAS Academy, an endeavor of excellence.
Borthakur IAS Academy.
Hello everyone, welcome to Borthakur's IAS Academy, Northeast's premier institute for UPSC and APSC preparation. I hope you all are doing well. Today, we will analyze some important news dated 30th of April 2021. Please like and share this video and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And now, Ajir, jitu first topic was it is about the impact of reverse migration on our economy. It is important from the Indian economy part and also how the society is being hit by the second wave of pandemic, right? And this particular news has been sourced from the editorials of the Hindu, the Indian Express, bahut kekhon newspaper actually a particular topic to lua hoise. In Assam Tribune also this particular topic was discussed. So jikono ekhon paper jikon apuni daily follow kore tar jodi editorials at side in recent week in the last week apnaloke a topic to dekhibo, okay? And we will discuss why it is necessary to stop reverse migration, how it has impacted lives in all the states, okay? And kunbilak enekwa states ase jor pora maximum number of migrants they they shift to other places for better job opportunities, right? So ami ei gutekhini discuss kore. We all know that India has been struck by the second wave of COVID-19 and every day we see lakhs of fresh positive cases, and this has actually put on a lot of pressure on the health sector, and they are also finding it quite difficult to accommodate the rising number of cases, which has in turn resulted in the severe restrictions and lockdowns. Kisuman jagat Delhi lockdown hoi goise aru in Maharashtra they have opted for severe restrictions till 1st of May. Aru jikikhon mane major cities are growth centers jot a particular second wave to bahut besi back effect korise, they include Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bengaluru, Surat, etc. And because of this emergency situation, it has also compelled the migrants or the daily wage earners to return back to their own birth, like native place, right? Migrants, ami jano that these are the hand to mouth consumers. They are earning, they are dependent on subsistence living, and therefore they spend a large part of their income in the local economy. Jikhini jaga thake hekhini jagar economic teoloke boost koribole help kore, and this generates a layer of demand in that particular area. যিহেতু তেওঁলোকে এভৰিডে ৱেজ আৰ্ন কৰি হেতু দি নিজৰ যিখিনি দৰকাৰী বস্তু কিনে বা সেই লোকেল এৰিয়াটোতে তেওঁলোক লিমিটেড হৈ থাকে, ৰাইট? বহুত বাহিৰত বেলেগ জায়গাত গৈ পেলাই শ্বপিং নকৰে, বেছি মলছ বা এনেকুৱা ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ যিবোৰ শ্বপিং মলছ বা চেণ্টাৰ্ছ থাকে তাত গৈ পেলাই তেওঁলোকে শ্বপিং নকৰে, they generally create a layer of demand locally. But this is going to stop because as the restrictions are increasing, lockdowns, they have been introduced in certain cities. It has resulted in shutting down of the industries and other productive units. Jibilakot a migrant laborers bilake kam kore. So since they have been shut down, definitely these people are like, they are quite tensed, they are terrified, and because of this fear of losing their jobs, losing their source of earning and living, they are finding it convenient to return back to their native place. তেওঁলোকে এটো মেন্টালিটি দি ঘুৰি আহে যে at least নিজৰ ঘৰত থাকিলে they will be comparatively safe, আৰু তাত কিবা এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ডেইলি ৱেজ জব যদি তেওঁলোকে পায় তেতিয়া হলে কৰিব, বিকজ বাহিৰা জায়গা এটা থাকি পেলাই থকা খোৱাৰ খৰচটো তেওঁলোকে বিয়াৰ কৰিবলৈ টান পায় without a daily job, right? So this has put a lot of pressure on the internal economy, right? Local economy. So that is the reason why we need to stop this reverse migration, and that will happen only when the respective state governments they take necessary steps to provide subsidies to this to this migrant workers. And these migrants workers, they are also stigmatized as the carriers of disease, because eto ami last year dekhisilu je jetia sob dharan the entire country was under lockdown, there was no means of transportation. These people, they were traveling, they had to travel the distance on foot. গোটেই ফ্যামিলি ল'ৰা ছোৱালী ৱাইফ তেনেকৈ লৈ পেলাই তেওঁলোকে কিমান কিমান ডিষ্টেঞ্চ খোজকাঢ়ি কাঢ়ি অহা যোৱা কৰিছে আৰু উইদাউট মেইনটেইনিং ছ'চিয়েল ডিষ্টেঞ্চিং সেইখিনিতো তেতিয়াতো সিমানখিনি তেওঁলোকৰ ইমান এৱেৰনেছো নাছিলে এণ্ড অলছ' দে ৱৰ্কড ইন ছাচ ক্ৰাউডেড প্লেচেছ তাৰপিছত তেওঁলোকে লগে লগে নিজৰ ঘৰলৈ গুচি নিজৰ নেটিভ জেগালৈ গৈ ইমান এটা ডাঙৰ ডিষ্টেঞ্চ তেওঁলোকে ট্ৰেভেল কৰি নিজৰ জেগালৈ গৈছে মেনি পিপল ডাইড ইন দেট জাৰ্নি ইটছেল্ফ because of lack of food and also because of COVID. So now the government will have to take extra care of these migrant laborers by providing them financial assistance and also food product at a subsidized rate. They will have to assure these workers that they can stay wherever they are, and when things gets better they can start their normal routine life. এই যিবোৰ মাইগ্ৰেণ্ট ৱৰ্কাৰ্ছ হয় তেওঁলোকৰ ৰিভাৰ্ছ মাইগ্ৰেশ্যনৰ কাৰণে মেইনলি ছাফাৰ কৰে যিবোৰ স্মল এণ্টাৰপ্ৰাইজ হয় স্মল আৰু মিডিয়াম যিখিনি ইউনিটছ থাকে ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিজ থাকে সেইখিনি বেছি ছাফাৰ কৰে বিকজ দে আৰ কম্পেৰেটিভলি মেচিন ৱৰ্কতকৈ যিখিনি লেবাৰ ফ'ৰ্চ হয় তেওঁলোকৰ কাম বেছি আৰু বিকজ অফ ৰিভাৰ্ছ মাইগ্ৰেশ্যন it becomes difficult to find similarly skilled workers there. এই মানুহখিনি এটা ইউনিট এটা ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিত যদি আগৰ পৰা কাম কৰি থাকে দে আৰ দ্য স্কিল্ড ৱৰ্কাৰ্ছ দে ন' দ্য ৱৰ্ক ৱেল ৰাইট বেলেগ কিবা নাজানিলেও সেই যিখিনি কাম হয় তেওঁলোকৰ এভৰি ডে যিখিনি হাজিৰাৰ তেওঁলোকৰ কাম হয় সেই গোটেইখিনি তেওঁলোকে ভালকৈ জানে চ' ইফ দে ৰিটাৰ্ণ বেক টু দেয়াৰ অৰিজিনেল নেটিভ প্লেচ দেয়াৰ অলছ' দে ডোণ্ট গেট গুড জব অপৰচুনিটিজ বিকজ দে হেভ ডিফাৰেণ্ট স্কিলছ আৰু তেনেকুৱা ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিজ নিজৰ নেটিভ প্লেচত নাই সেইকাৰণে দে হেভ শ্বিফটেড ৰাইট এণ্ড হিয়াৰ অলছ' from the place where they have migrated there also the enterprises they face they have to face loss and moreover these puts on a very big strain on the rural health system because তেওঁলোক যিখিনি জেগালৈ যায় they obviously belongs to rural areas আৰু তাত যদি আগৰ পৰা এনভাইৰনমেণ্টটোত কোনো ধৰণৰ পজিটিভ কেছ নাথাকে এওঁলোক যদি গৈ পেলাই উইদাউট এনি উইদাউট ছ'চিয়েল ডিষ্টেঞ্চিং অৰ উইদাউট কোৱাৰেণ্টাইনিং উইদাউট টেষ্টিং তেওঁলোকে যদি তাত থকা আৰম্ভ কৰি দিয়ে দেন দেট পুটছ এন এডেড প্ৰেছাৰ ইন দ্য ৰুৰেল atmosphere right so these are some of the ill impacts of reverse migration. Now here you can see a pictorial representation of the spots of migration. Amar northeaster para ami dekhisu je most of the people they migrate to Delhi, Bangalore and other metros okay jikhini dangor cities thake there they migrate for better job opportunities aru a huge chunk or the largest pool of migrant workers they emerge from UP and Western Bihar yare manukhiniye Delhi বা নিয়াৰ বাই যিখিনি আপোনালোকৰ যিখিনি ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিয়েল এৰিয়াজ আছে তাত গৈ পেলাই তেওঁলোকে কাম কৰে আৰু কিছুমান জাগাত আমি দেখিবলৈ পাইছোঁ যে বিকজ অফ বাই থ্ৰু দ্য ব্লু চাৰ্কলছ উই হেভ চিন দেট হিয়াৰ দেয়াৰ the workers they go seasonally they migrate seasonally to the nearby construction areas here and tar logote Himachal Pradesh ifale Rajasthan Surat Mumbai enukwa dhৰণৰ jot আপোনালোকৰ ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰিজ বেছি আছে বা য'ত লেবাৰ ফ'ৰ্চৰ ৰাদাৰ দেন মেচিনছ লেবাৰ মাইগ্ৰেণ্টছৰ দৰকাৰ বেছি চ' এনেকুৱা জেগালৈ ইন চাৰ্চ অফ বেটাৰ জব অপৰচুনিটিজ দে মাইগ্ৰেট এণ্ড বিকজ অফ দিছ লকডাউন অৰ ৰেষ্ট্ৰিকশ্যনছ দে হেড ন' আদাৰ অপশ্যন বাট টু ৰিটাৰ্ণ বেক টু দেয়াৰ নেটিভ প্লেচ আৰু নেক্সট টপিকটো যিটো হৈছে ইট ইজ এবাউট দ্য নেচাৰেল ডিজাষ্টাৰ আৰ্থকুৱেকৰ বিষয়ে বহুত বেছি ইন্ট্ৰডাকশ্যন আমাক নালাগে বিকজ উই আৰ ইন দ্য zone 5 right entire northeastern state it is the most vulnerable part of our country towards earthquakes and especially the morning of 28th of April was not at all a good morning for us because we woke up to the massive earthquake of 6.4 Richter scale and this is all over news and hekarne atia ami sam je what are the reasons and causes of earthquakes kihor karne hoy kenikwa different types thake earthquakes or amar Indiar kunkhini jaga prone hoy zones bila keneke divide kora hoise and also we will have a look at the world zones of earthquake right and then finally we will see the recent case of Assam that is 28th of April so first of all earthquake in simple words it means the shaking of earth right it is a natural event and it mainly occurs because of the movement of the tectonic plates and when energies are released internally যেতিয়া energy release হয়, it generates certain waves which travels in all directions, and as a result we feel the shakiness on the surface of the earth, which is termed as the earthquake. And these vibrations are called, the waves are called seismic waves, which are generated during earthquake, and they are recorded with the help of an instrument called seismograph. Aru duta point duta depending upon the location of the earthquake, okay, depending upon the location of the point at which the earthquake starts, it is known as hypocenter. When the location which is below the earth, it is known as hypocenter, and the location which is directly above the hypocenter on the surface of the earth, it is called the epicenter. Now coming to the types of earthquakes. Types of earthquakes, jodi ami sao tetia hole mainly tinta type hoy. These are the tectonic earthquakes, volcanic earthquakes, and human induced earthquakes. Tectonic earthquakes are the most common forms of earthquakes, jitu ami call the movement of tectonic plates. Tar majot jetia keteba collision hoy ba friction hoy, then energy is released, and as a result we feel the tremors of earthquake, right? And it mainly results from the constant shifting of these tectonic plates. This non-stop movement of the plates, it results in generation of stress. Aru ei stress bur jetia release hoy, they are released along the faults or the fault lines. Fault hoise the cracks which are along the crustal rocks. These are sharp breaks along the crustal rocks, and along these faults the energy is released, and these particular areas jot fault present thake aru tar through the waves bur release hoy, these are known as fault zones. And the tectonic earthquakes are the most common form of earthquakes, right? And then followed by the volcanic earthquake. Volcanic earthquake is, from the name itself we know that these are confined to the areas of active volcanoes. Jikhini jagat kunba active volcano thake tar usorer areas bilakot jibur earthquakes arise hoy, these are mainly termed as volcanic earthquakes, and this is a special class of tectonic earthquake itself, okay? And due to the injection of magma from the volcanoes, the earthquakes occurs, and these earthquakes, they can cause the land to produce large ground cracks. Ketiaba volcanic earthquakes or karne dighol ground cracks occur hobo pare. Aru recently ami ei jitu 28 April or earthquake hoisile tatu ami that was a tectonic earthquake, aru tate ami ground cracks hoa dekha pai. So this is a common feature of earthquake, okay? And the third one is human induced earthquake. Human induced earthquake mane hoise enekwa activities, enekwa construction activities ba development activities made by human, jar karone the land becomes weak, okay, and that results in earthquakes. Jene kono dhoroner mining activity, tetia ki hoy certain minor tremors are felt in that particular area, and these are called collapse earthquake, because at times what happens, the roofs of the underground mines, they collapse and causes minor tremors. Aru tar logote there can be certain shakiness in the ground can arise because of explosions, certain types of nuclear explosions, and those tremors which are felt, these are known as explosion earthquakes. And finally we can also experience earthquake in areas near the large reservoirs, and these are referred to as reservoir induced earthquake. So main tinta type hase tectonic earthquake, volcanic earthquakes, and human induced earthquakes. Our fault zones jitu hoy, these are the areas along which the stress is released along the faults, that is the cracks on the rocks, crustal rocks. So those are known as fault zones. And earthquake, depending on its depth, they can be of three different types: shallow earthquake, intermediate earthquake, and deep earthquake. Shallow earthquake hebur earthquake hoy jot focus to point to hypocenter, tar depth to around 0 to 70 kilometer deep hoy. Intermediate earthquake has a focus at a distance of around 70 to 300 kilometer deep, and deep earthquakes have a focus of around 300 to 700 kilometers deep. Now coming to the distribution of earthquake. Over the years, when the meteorological department, they carried on various studies on earthquake, okay, depending on the time. They have realized that this particular disaster, it shows some general pattern year after year, and therefore principally our earth is divided into 3 earthquake zones or seismic zones. The first one is the world's greatest earthquake belt, which is the Circum-Pacific Seismic Belt, and this has also earned the nickname of Ring of Fire. Then the second one is Alpide Earthquake Belt, and it extends from Java to Sumatra through the Himalayas, Mediterranean, and out into the Atlantic. And third one is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. So these are the 3 global earthquake distribution earthquake zones. These are the Circum-Pacific Seismic Belt, Alpide Earthquake Belt, and the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Our measurement of earthquake keneke kore hetu apunaloke jane sage. It is done through the measurement of seismic waves, and the instruments are known as seismometers. Aru jitu magnitude scale hoy of for measuring the earthquake, it is the Richter scale, right? And the magnitude is expressed in absolute numbers from 0 to 10, 10 being the like greatest highest degree, okay. And seismic waves, I mentioned koriswe je seismic waves are the waves of energy which are caused by earthquakes, and there are 2 different types of seismic waves, which are the body waves and the surface waves. And further, body waves are divided into P waves and S waves. I mean basic ekhini information geography paisue jetia 10th level ba 9th standard or geography books bilak ami porhu tate ekhini information diai thake, right? And then comes the effects of earthquake. Obviously ami dekhisu moi mention korilu as a ground shaking and cracks along the ground. This is one this is one after effect. Then there can be land and mudslides, fires, avalanches, then floods from dam and levee failures, tsunami, structural collapse. Cities, towns and cities or etu bahut eta dangor problem hoy, and this causes maximum injury, right? Structural collapse. And next we will see the zoning of earthquake in India. Ami jano je India is one of the highly affected countries because of earthquake, and it mainly is the main reason is due to the presence of young-fold mountains, which is the Himalaya. Our India sarita seismic zones ase. India has been divided into 4 seismic zones, which are zone 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 is the most vulnerable. It has a very high risk. It is a very high risk area, and this area has experienced some very massive earthquakes, okay, quite massive earthquakes. Then zone 4 is the high risk zone. Next news has been sourced from PIB and is important from the security challenges and management in border areas and defense technology under GS paper 3. This is about regarding the maiden trial of Python 5. Python 5 missiles the Israel developed missile from the Rafale Advanced Defense System, and Python 5 is the newest member to the Python family. It is the 5th generation air-to-air missile which has been included by the Tejas light combat aircraft in its air weapons capability after conducting several tests. And a test board performed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO. These missiles, they are quite advanced because they will provide short to beyond visual ranges with greater kill probability, and these are important for deployment of countermeasures. And yar logote they are also equipped with lock on before launch and lock on after launch capabilities. Ebur advanced techniques hoy which will further strengthen our defense system and will make it more competent as compared to the global platform. The next news is regarding the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund. A news to Agriculture Department or jodi kiba exams ase tar karone important hoy, tar lagote government schemes or under jabo GS paper or G2 government schemes and policies thake tar under ahibo pare, and jodi kunbai NABARD or ba rural bank or exams or karone jikhini GS part hoy ba general awareness thake tatu a particular fund to ba scheme to kotha apnaloko khodibo pare. Agriculture Infrastructure Fund, it is a central sector scheme, and that will enable a financing facility of rupees 1 lakh crore the agriculture infrastructure projects, and this will be targeted towards the farmer producers organization, primary agricultural cooperatives, startups and entrepreneurs in the agricultural sector. আৰু এই স্কিমটোৰ থ্ৰু দি মিডিয়াম টু লং টাৰ্ম ফাইনেন্সিং ফেচিলিটি প্ৰভাইড কৰা হ'ব ফৰ projects which will be engaged in post harvest management infrastructure. And this mainly is meant to build the storage facilities and help the farmers to build post harvest agriculture infrastructure and community farming assets. এই ফেচিলিটিটোৰ থ্ৰু দি যিখিনি ৱেষ্ট জেনেৰেট হয় সেইখিনি ৰিডিউচ কৰিবলৈ মানে ফাৰ্ম এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ ৰিলেটেড যিখিনি ৱেষ্ট হয় food products সেইখিনি ৰিডিউচ কৰা তেওঁলোকে এইম কৰিব so that it gives value addition to the products. যদি after harvesting the products perish because of various regions, right, various different reasons, যদি হেতৰ কাৰণে products বোৰ destroy হৈ যায়, then they don't get the farmers, they don't get the additional values, and that's why this particular facility, it is aimed at helping the farmers to get a higher price for their produce. It will not only reduce the waste but also helps in storing and processing of the products. Our A scheme to run hobo for 10 years from financial year of 2020 to financial year 2029. And NABARD is going to initiate this fund, okay, in association with the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Yar under jikhini scheme beneficiaries, jibur scheme beneficiaries hobo, they will include the primary agricultural credit society, marketing cooperative societies, joint liability groups, self-help groups, and the local body sponsored public-private partnership projects. There is a need for this agricultural infrastructure fund because approximately 58% of the population of our country, they are dependent on agriculture and its allied activities as the source of income, right? And because of low connectivity and limited infrastructure connecting the farmers, 15 to 20% of the output is wasted in every agriculture year, okay? And it is much higher in comparison to other countries, so we need to invest on this segment, this particular sector, so that it does not become stagnant and the farmers can get better values for their products. So this was all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all again with another session of newspaper analysis only at Bodhapur's IAS Academy, Northeast's premier institute for UPSC and APSC preparation. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
বৰঠাকুৰ IAS একাডেমি প্ৰস্তুতি আৰু অধ্যয়নৰ নিৰ্ভৰযোগ্য ঠিকনা
বৰঠাকুৰ IAS Academy